Again, welcome to the demo for the media team sprint that ended today on the 6th of July. The main thing I want to show you guys today is the work that we've been doing with restrictions, location-based and Stanford-based restrictions to do with media. This was one of the main and most important features for all our work, basically, to implement restrictions that would require you to be at a certain IP address or to log in with your Stanford account in order to, for example, as I'm going to show you with this test object, pay a video. So what we have here is an object that consists of 3 different videos. And the first one, as you can see, is a perfectly regular video. It's playable to everyone in the world. The second video is restricted to Stanford only. And here you can see a couple of things that we've done. So first of all, we have a little prompt down here in the left corner. That prompts me to log in, say I'm a Stanford affiliate. But I also want you to notice that we have some nice overlays here that I think puts forward a pretty obvious message to users regarding the access to this video. So what I'm going to do here is and you just bear with me on the way while I type in my super secret password. And we're Stanford, so we're going to do the usual triple, quadruple bypass code. And that should have logged me in. And I am now able to play the video that will take us through the corridors of DLSS, actually downstairs in the basement. The third video is not open to the world. It's also not open to Stanford. It's actually open to certain locations only. So when I go to this location restricted video, you can see that even though I've logged in as a Stanford staff, I'm not able to play this. So now if I reload this page, we've done a little bit of magic in the background with my IP address. And you can see that if I select this again, it's detected my location, and I'm now able to show this wonderfully slanted video for you. Bear with us while we turn our heads. So that basically proves that we have implemented Stanford restrictions and location-based restrictions, just like our goal was. We've also been busy migrating some old materials. Unfortunately, we have this old Soul streaming server, which is ancient hardware that we need to get rid of. And this old box contained a bunch of videos that we've been working on migrating. So basically, the long-term solution for these videos that lived on this one-off box is that we want to put this all into we want to accession everything and then put it into our new WAS server, like everything else. But we're not ready to accession all these materials yet. So the solution that we've basically come up with, and I'm just going down this page, is called Streaming Migration for those that are interested. The solution that we've come up with here is basically, in short terms, just rename some files or rename some URLs, direct them over to our new Wowzer box. I just wanted to show you an example from the Buckminster Fuller collection. So this video that's playing here right now is actually one that we've replaced with a link to the new Wowzer box. So we're able to keep everything pretty much as it were in the old interface, but the videos themselves are now playing from our new box, which is a solution that we came up with, which has been, I think, pretty successful and also not too work intensive for us. So in good media team fashion, we've been touching, I think, at least 3 code bases in addition to migrating the stuff. We've touched Digital Stacks Rails, Soul Embed, and Writes Auth to do all of the user interface and rights work that we needed to do. In addition to the migration, the other 2 things that the team has been busy with, in addition to media, this sprint has been that we've had Naomi together with Darren Harley on web archiving, and myself and John have also been, John in particular, have been doing a little bit of fighting fires with Argo also. I think that pretty much sums up the work that we've been doing in this sprint. So I think we're going to call it there for the demo. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the media team.